Now over here in AutoCAD, I saw a tutorial that says, pag-click mo yung text or then click or type TC for T-circle, you could select the text and make a factor of like 0.35, choose C for circle, and then it creates an encapsulation to encircle the text. I'll try the same thing again, TC, 0.35, this time I will choose S for slot, consent on both sides. Now it creates this kind of ellipse. So instead of doing this manually into your door tags, using AutoCAD architecture, you could actually use the command door tag. If I click on the door, it automatically tags the door and numbers it as well. This is useful later on if you have like a door schedule using that command as well. And then you can create a table to make the door and frame schedule for you. However, how about in layout? Over in layout, I would simply just click stroke to make it encapsulated into a rectangle, or C for circle, as well as the ellipse. For ellipse, I would just hold down the control while making it. You can use this for your tags as well. However, with 5D Plus in SketchUp, it looks like this. I would use the extension called 𝗍𝗵𝗶𝗽𝗶 for floor label style number 2, makes a diamond, or wall label, makes a triangle, for door label, our circle, and for window label, our hexagon. Okay? But I don't like to use them all for like door, window, and stuff because these are flooring. What I would do is just create a zone in style number 2 where I would see the area and the tile sizes as well. So depending on whatever workflow you choose, just always make sure to use their features. Para naman, sulit, diba? Thank you, everyone. Till next time.